Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Cash4Minutes right here, and you're wondering, can you really get paid just for making phone calls? Okay, let's check out this little very interesting website. Is this a good way for you to make money? Is it legit or is it fake? Okay, let's check it out. Is it worth your time? That's a big question. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy. You can check that out if you would like. All right. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online on this channel. All sorts of different business models, different courses, free and paid websites, GPT surveys, different business models, and some of them are great and you can potentially make a lot of money. Some of them not so great, and some of them are just straight up not real. So let's check out Cash4Minutes to find out where this stacks up against the other opportunities out there. Okay, so Cash4Minutes is a very interesting way to make money online. The way it works is you get paid for making phone calls, okay? And the way it works is it's a very unique service, and they will give you a list of numbers that you can call, and this is available basically globally, all right? So pretty much every single country, they've got a very long list, and they will give you a whole bunch of numbers, hundreds of numbers that you can call. And when you call those numbers in your local country, it doesn't matter where you're located. You could be in the US, you could be in the UK, you could be in Taiwan, you could be in China, you could be in Singapore, you could be in Africa, somewhere in Africa, you could be on a little island. They've got a really long list, which is amazing. And every single country has a specific amount of money that they will give you for calling that specific number. Now, when you call that number, you're basically going to be listening to internet radio broadcasts, okay? And each number will have a different rate that you can potentially make. So on average, you'll find that you can make anywhere from 4 cents per minute all the way up to about 10 cents per minute, depending on the country that you're in and depending on the number that you're going to call, okay? So it's not a lot of money if you really think about it, because basically when you call the number, you're just going to be listening to internet radio broadcast. So you can just kind of let your phone sit there. You don't have to listen to it per se, but you just have to call it and stay connected. So you can just let your phone just kind of sit there and run for an hour or 2 or 3 hours, which is pretty cool, okay? But you're not really making that much money. I mean, if you think about it, 4 cents per minute. Let's just do this math, right? 4 cents per minute on average, okay? Multiplied by 60 minutes, you're making about $2.40 per hour, okay? So you're making $2.40 per hour in that particular example, but your phone has to basically just run, just stay on the call for the entire hour, right? But let's find out whether that actually costs you any money or is that free. Okay, so that's the interesting thing, right? So that's kind of how this works, okay? It's very, very simple. They just give you a list of numbers and you call. And the way that Cash4Minutes makes money is they make money directly from your telecom, which is really weird, okay? So I'm just going to jump into the FAQs so that you can understand how this works, okay? So first of all, how do you get paid out, okay? Now, if you get paid out, you get paid out through different methods. You can choose PayPal, bank transfer, which there will be a fee for the bank transfer. If you're in Europe, it's about €5. If you're international, it's about €15, okay? So it can be quite a lot. If it's Bitcoin, it's free. If it's PayPal, there's a small percentage charge. PayPal charges the service fee, or you can donate it to your favorite charity, okay? It's very important that when you sign up with Cash4Minutes, you have to register your mobile so that they know that your number is attached to your account. That's how this works, okay? Now here is the interesting and kind of weird thing, all right? How does Cash4Minutes guarantee its revenue? Our revenue comes from the phone calls generated by you via your phone company. And all you need to do is listen to the radio stations which we stream in order to earn units. Please note that we are only able to pay out on funds which we've successfully received from your phone company. Now that is a very weird statement if you think about it, because that means that they make money directly from your phone company, but you're calling a number that they have listed to you. So you don't really know if that number is attached to your phone company or not, right? Why would your phone company pay them for a number that's not attached to them? Does that make sense? It's really, really weird, okay? So a little, few question marks here and there. And the other thing as well is that they don't guarantee that the numbers that you call are going to be free. How do I know if the calls I make are included in my free minutes? Okay, now here's the thing, right? Please understand that if the numbers that you call in your country are not included in your free minutes, then this is not a free way to make money. You might even be losing money. All right, it's really important, okay? It is your responsibility for checking whether the calls you make to the service are free and are inclusive in your calling plan, okay? We cannot be held responsible for your pricing tariffs. It is advisable to make test calls first to check whether you're being charged by the provider. So that means that if you call a number, all right, that they say will pay you 4 cents euro per minute, but you're being charged, let's just say 10 cents or 20 cents per minute, you're losing money. Does that make sense? You're losing money, and you're not even guaranteed to be paid directly by Cash4Minutes, because they will only pay you out on funds that where they have successfully received money from your phone company. Okay, so that's why it's a little bit dodgy. Okay, I'm not saying that you can't make money from this service, but what I'm saying is that it's not so simple. It's not so clear cut, right? Because yes, they say you can call a number and you can make 4 cents a minute, 5 cents a minute, 10 cents a minute, but if it's not covered in your free minute plan and you're being charged for it, then you're making even less, or you're even losing money, and they're not guaranteed to send you money. They have no obligation to actually pay you a single cent, right? So it's pretty risky, to be honest. And are you really going to sit there and check every single number to see whether you're actually being charged by your provider? By the way, how would you even know until you get the phone bill at the end of the month whether you're actually being charged by your provider? You wouldn't. So this process right here is actually a very, very tricky process to figure out, okay? So I think that for the amount of effort that you have to put in versus how little money you're being paid by Cash4Minutes, is this really worth your time? Probably not. Because there's so many loopholes here, there's so many question marks. They don't necessarily need to pay you at all. In fact, when you actually sign up with Cash4Minutes, okay, when you log in and sign up, you actually click a terms of service that says that there is no guarantee of payment. That means that they have no obligation to pay you a single cent if they don't want to, or if it doesn't follow their terms, or if they don't actually get paid out successfully by your phone company. So to me, it's too risky to actually do this, right? It is also very important to note that should Cash4Minutes end up not being paid by suppliers due to fraudulent calls or traffic which does not meet a suitable profile originating from your network, this will mean that they will be unable to pay you. Okay? I think that's fair. But I think the problem is not that. The problem is not that you're going to try and scam Cash4Minutes. The problem is you don't know whether the numbers they're giving you is actually included in your free minutes or not. And if you don't know, and it's very hard for you to find that out, then it's tricky, Now, if you could find that information out very easily, then sure, you can call and then you can just kind of leave your phone on the side, and every hour you would make, roughly between $2.40 to $5 for every hour, okay? Then that would be pretty cool. But you don't know if they're guaranteed to pay you out, and you don't know if those numbers are inclusive in your free minutes. And that's a very difficult thing to find out, okay? So again, all sorts of question marks here. On the surface, it looks like it's pretty cool for you to make money, but I think that it's quite complicated because of all these little regulations here. So for me, it's not that much money. I mean, $2.50 an hour, maybe you make $2.50 or $5 a day. Let's just say $5 a day times 30 days. I mean, you're making maybe $150, but you have to call these numbers every single day, and you have to check, right? And it's not guaranteed that you're going to get paid, and it might end up costing you more money because you're paying your phone company more money because you're calling these numbers that are not necessarily toll-free. Okay, they might be numbers that you have to pay for, and you might end up racking up a huge bill. So just be very, very careful with this strategy. I'm not saying that you can't make money from it. You might be able to if you're lucky and you hit the right numbers, right? But how do you know? How would you actually check? There's no way to really check until you get the bill at the end of the month. So pretty complicated strategy. I would just stay away from this if I were you. I think there are much, much better and easier ways to make big money online, and this is basically not one of them. All right, but if you want to check it out, you can, cash4minutes.com. all right, now if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to make money on the internet. Maybe you don't know how. We live in a world today where there are many different strategies for you to do this. Okay, online is very powerful. I reviewed hundreds of different strategies, but out of all of them, my favorite way still to go from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 as a beginner is only one particular strategy. I think it's the best, and if you want to check that out, click the link below and I'll send you all the details, free training straight to your email. If you want to check that out, you can. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Cash4Minutes. I wish you all the best, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.